Sometimes we take love for granted until it's gone. And when the silence hits, it is deeper than any sound. How could you ghost me? How could you leave me out to dry? How could you turn your back on me when all I ever did was try? I gave you real love, but you hurt me without a reason why. Now I'm sitting here broken hearted, watching tears fall from my eyes. Oh, ghost me. Why you ghost me? Sometimes we take love for granted until it's gone. And now I know how it feels to be broken hearted, to trust someone who said I love you, but it turned out to be a lie. While I was thinking of ways to make you happy, you were thinking of ways to make me cry. Like a ghost, you blocked me from every social platform, leaving me here wondering why. I know I don't deserve this pain, I can't help the tears that fall from my eyes. If you love someone, how could you hurt them so bad? Knowing I love you, and silence is what makes me sad. How could you ghost me? How could you leave me out to dry? How could you turn your back on me when all I ever did was try? How could you ghost me? How could you leave me out to dry? How could you turn your back on me when all I ever did was try? I try to be there for you in every single way I can. Baby, I don't understand. You were the only one I had in my life. Now my phone don't ring no more. This house is so quiet now, I don't talk no more. I got no one to talk to, so I speak to myself. How could you do this to me when I had no one else? I gaze at the ceiling, looking for a reason, but no answer comes. Your love is killing me slowly, feels worse than cancer, breaking me down, crumb by crumb. No matter what I do, I'm never right by you. You always think of the negative, never the good things that I do. Where can you find a love like mine? I don't think you will. But sooner or later you'll realize real love only comes once in a while. The other side's not always greener. If that's how you feel, then knock yourself out. I'm gonna try to mend my broken heart, even though I'm filled with doubt. I've been honest with you from the start, so how could you let this fall apart? How could you ghost me, leave me singing the blues in the dark? I'm sitting here alone with too much time to think. My whole future plan was with you. I wanted to protect you, care for you, hold you in my arms, keep you near. But from your actions it's clear, you never loved me, you were only pretending to care. It's hard hearing the phone not ring anymore. No text, no call, nothing but empty walls. It's so silent I could hear a pin drop. My mind is racing over time, wondering where you are and when this heartbreak will stop. You never explain, but I get it now. Real love doesn't disappear, it holds on for the weak and makes them strong. I thought my arms were really long, but you had other plans all along. How could you ghost me? How could you say you love me then walk away? I'm confused, feeling so used. Thought we had something real, but you left me here singing the blues. How could you hurt me? How could you turn your back on me like that? Love shouldn't feel like this, but I guess you showed me what yours really was.